Hello and welcome. Today in this video, I'll show you how to use Curipod for interactive lesson slides. Curipod on the Google and go here. I'm already signed in, so just it has a lot of features, but for the sake of this video, just gonna show you how to generate a lesson. So here you can choose the subject. I chose science and I hit biology. For the lesson topic, I'm gonna type biotic and abiotic components of environment and hit get a lesson. So now the AI is working on the back end. So it is going to take like around like 30 seconds to 60 seconds to generate the lesson because it is creating an interactive activities also in the slide form where the students can interact, draw also, and they can poll also. So, and also it is creating a pin code which the students can join. It is just like Kahoot, we play the Kahoot where the students can join. And also, the near part feature where the students can join. It is just like that. So it is personalizing our lesson. So let's see what we have. So here it created the slides for us. So here you can see the ecosystem and living things. This is the objective. Student will be able to identify, categorize biotic, abiotic. This is a kind of a do now. Do you know a single teaspoon of the soil contain more living things than a. So here the students can answer. So in the Let's Explore, basically here students will learn the definition of biotic and abiotic. And for here, I wanted students to watch a video. So what I'm gonna do is go to the media, and over here the YouTube option comes. You hit that, and over here you can apply the link. So I'm just going to go to the Google and find out a YouTube video that talks about biotic and abiotic factors. So over here I got that. I'm going to copy the link over here and apply. And here you go. Here you can add this video over here. So similar way, you can also add, going to the media, you can add the pictures or any text you wanted students to read and all that. There are a lot of things you can do. You can always personalize this slide deck according to your own need. So if you also want to add a new slide and add some kind of the new question, here you can add that. Okay. So for example, I hit open ended, write your question here. Maybe you can add the regions question here. So the thing is, you can always personalize this slide deck according to your need. And here you can hit start and it will generate a pin for you where which the students can join. They can scan in also, and they can join manually by writing the pin number. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. AI with Manpreet Kaur.